We're going to do a brief video of algo trading versus Bitcoin, and we've got a chart here of BTC Bitcoin for you, and stick with us till the very end, and we'll show you how to get algo trading prices for Bitcoin, excuse me, absolutely free, no credit card required. That's coming up here right here in just a minute. We're going to look at this Bitcoin chart, and we're going to ask a question. How can you possibly evaluate this in the evening just before you get ready to go to bed, or in the morning just before you get ready to go to work? How can you do it fast enough to make any kind of reasonable decision? And the reality of it is you have to do your own analysis, but there's a lot going on in this chart. There's a lot going on in the stock market, the forex market, all the other things you probably invest in. So the question is, how do you actually get a grip about what's going on with crypto, and particularly BTC, Bitcoin? And the answer is you can put on a 200-day moving average, a 20-day moving average, and a 5-day moving average, and sit here and you can see we're in a bear market and we're going sideways in crypto. That's fine. There's nothing the matter with it, and I'd encourage you to do that. But there's another way to do it, and it's much faster, it's much easier, and it's absolutely free. You can tune into rbamresearch.com, and you can get our algorithmically generated prices that we put out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Now these actually sometimes come out as late as or as early as 8 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. the night before. So if you tune in a little earlier in the evening before the markets open, and of course Bitcoin trades 24 hours a day, but the session changes at about 8 o'clock, and we put up new prices shortly after that. So take a look at this. We have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. Basically what that means is if you buy in this column or short in this column, whatever you want to do, you can hold one trading day till the end of the first trading day. So buy or short today, close out the next trading day just before the market closes, and take a loss or take your profit if you can get it before. Same thing with the 2, 5, 10, and 20. If you were to go the 20-day column, assuming your own analysis indicates it's a good idea, today you could buy at roughly this price, hold for worst case 20 days, and then take a loss just before the close of the 20th trading day, or take your profits sooner in the case in which you got them. So these are always take your profits as soon as you get them, close them out at a loss, worst case 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading days. So that's how these algo trading prices versus Bitcoin work. You basically tune in the morning of or the evening before, get them for the current trading day, which is 26 today, and compare them to your own analysis, which you can do again with moving averages, however you normally do it, but it gives you a really fast way. You can look across here in just a minute and get entry prices. Again, every day we're going to have buys or shorts for Bitcoin, and absolutely free, no credit card required. Monday through Friday, we don't do the weekends, but Monday through Friday we have them for you. You can get them all at rbamresearch.com. In addition to Bitcoin, we cover the most liquid futures contracts, we cover the major forex pairs, and we cover 190 stocks, all the same type of algo trading prices available for you Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. Absolutely free, no credit card required. Just follow the link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. Sign up over there with your email address and get them all absolutely free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you want to leave us a nice comment in the comment section below, we'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you see and hear on here, including our commentary and our entry prices especially, are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use any of it, including the entry prices, for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.